one of my homegirls that I ride with from time to time. And I'm about to show y'all her bike. This her bike. No, I'm just bullshitting. This her bike right here.
Yeah, you telling me a lot of shit, but you gotta show me. I'm like, I told you, I'm like Luther Vandross, you gotta make me a believer. Did you hear what I said? I'm like Luther Vandross, you gotta make me a believer. You are on the speakerphone and I'm telling you to come on. Okay. So Ty, I just needed you to be a witness that he taking the cop. Okay? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna call y'all on my other phone because I'm about to get on my bike and I'm gonna call y'all on my Bluetooth because y'all scared. I ain't never seen no fast scared niggas. Yeah, I ain't never seen no fast scared niggas before. I'm about to start calling y'all scared money racers. Scared money racers. Alright, I'm gonna call y'all right back. Ooh, I be talking mess.
You be calling them out?
Yeah.
So I'm accessing the damage. My camera just fell off the freeway, so I had it mounted right here. This was supposed to be the tether, so it's mounted right here, kind of like that. See, the tether's still there. It's kind of mounted like that. I had to adjust it, but that's where it was mounted. So it fell off on the freeway. So if we access the damages, the case is pretty much intact. I think the car did kind of like just tip it a little bit, but as soon as it fell off, I like immediately pulled over. So just some bangs and bruises. I should have had the full one on because this is the opening for the touchscreen. Just some little scrapes. It's not all that bad actually. I probably just didn't put this part on good with the glue. I let it see it and heat it up and all that, but actually it was a lot of wind too, because whenever I hit it and go into a lean, like the camera would go all the way up. So now I just have to rethink putting this somewhere. Best place I think would be like right here, which would be ideal. That way it sees what's exactly in front of me, but the only thing is I have this green screen. So the wind definitely plays a factor in how stable it is. And I think I'm going to put this on my helmet next to see if that'll help. That's better, because at least when I'm tucked behind the windscreen, I get less wind. So I'm gonna try that next and get a different type of tether. Probably leave that right there. I might take it off. Let's put it on my helmet. But I got plenty of these, but I can put it on my helmet.